Welcome to ENC 1101 Blended, week 4. This week we're going to be talking mostly about parallel structure and vocabulary. Starting with the warm-up, you're going to watch 2 videos on parking alignment. The first one is funny. It's Kramer from Seinfeld trying to park a car. Doesn't work. The second one is an actual parallel parking video where the gentleman parks the car perfectly between other cars. You can watch a third video on parallel construction and look at the concept of remaining consistent with the language. That's the key. You have to be consistent with the language. The parallel structure website right here shows faulty parallelism versus the corrected version. For example, the French, the Italians, nothing and nothing. That is faulty parallel structure. It should be corrected as the French, the Italians, the Spanish, and the Portuguese. So you see you have consistency in the language, and that's really what parallelism is all about. There are more examples as you move along. Then try the 2 quizzes to see how you do. Afterwards, we're going to focus on vocabulary. The Scrabble video just shows you what Scrabble is. Scrabble is all about words. It's building words with letters and the importance of vocabulary. Again, another video showing you what happens if your vocabulary is limited. If you have a limited vocabulary, such as the video, then you will not have the abundance of word choice that is necessary for communicating with other people. Thesaurus.com, which is a subsidiary of Dictionary.com, has a lot of alternative word choices that can help you expand your vernacular, which is another word for vocabulary. Then we want to look at wordchoice.doc. If you open up this document, you will see on the left-hand side very general concept. What we want to do with these is actually find synonyms from thesaurus.com that mean the same thing as walk, but maybe something more particular. First, the definition, brief travel on foot, and then some synonyms that can help me vary my language. Is it a jaunt, a march, a pace, a promenade? These kinds of words will help you to really clarify and specify what you're trying to say. WordWomp is a very interesting game. Do not register for free. Start game. Once you start the game, it will be loading and ask you to register. Do not register unless you are willing to pay. Otherwise, it's going to count down the number of seconds until you are allowed to play. WordWomp will give you letters that need to be turned into words. So you see the timer and the score. It's going to keep asking you if you want to register for free, but don't do it. What you want to try to do is to get the highest score possible by finding as many words as you can. So WordWomp is a fun way to think about words. The last thing would be to feed the children with free rice. For each answer you get right, we will donate 10 grains of rice. By answering correctly, you could feed a child somewhere in the world. Please bring your pronoun-free assignment on Wednesday and I will collect it. Thank you very much and have a wonderful afternoon.